In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invitee form questions in Calendly to better suit your event needs. This feature can be incredibly useful for tailoring the information you gather from participants, ultimately making your scheduling process more efficient and effective. Let's get started by logging into your Calendly account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all of your scheduled events. From here, we'll navigate to the Event Types section. This is essential because events in Calendly are categorized under various types, allowing you to control and customize their settings individually. Now, once you're in the Event Types section, you'll see a list of all the event types you have configured. Choose the specific event type that you want to modify by clicking on the three dots next to the event. A small menu will appear, and from here, you'll select the Edit option. After doing this, a pop-up will open in the right corner of your screen. Now you need to click on More Options within this pop-up to proceed to the more advanced settings for this event type. With the advanced options open, it's time to locate the Invitee Form section. You'll need to expand this section to access all the current questions set for your invitees. This is where you have the power to tailor your form to gather the specific information you need. If you wish to edit an existing question, simply click on the question you want to modify. Here, you have the flexibility to change the text of the question, adjust the answer choices, or even alter the question type. For instance, you could switch from a single-line text response to a multiple-choice format if that better suits your needs. Alternatively, if you need to gather additional information that's not covered by your current questions, you can add a new one. Look for the plus Add New Question button or something with similar wording. Clicking this will prompt you to set up your new question. You can define the question itself, choose the type of answer you'll allow, and decide if the question should be mandatory for invitees to fill out. Once you've made all the necessary edits or additions, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step. Locate the Save Changes button, usually found at the bottom of the section. Click this, and your modifications will be applied, ensuring your invitee form is ready and set according to your preferences. And there you have it, a customized invitee form tailored to your event's specific requirements. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're collecting the precise information needed from your invitees, enhancing your event management and planning process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on optimizing your Calendly experience.